Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So just now by double press the power key we can see that we have now applied any features to double press the power key button. And if you wanted to open the camera app, for example, you should first launch the settings and then scroll all the way down to the system section. Now click here to the gestures and tap quickly open camera. Just to activate the quick launch to camera app from double press the power key, click once on the switcher, and now let's press twice to the power key and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.